So friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set dark theme or light mode on poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Firstly, you can see the setting option. So friends, you have to move on the setting. Okay, when you move on the setting, from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling and here you can see the option of the display. So friends, here you have to tap on display. Okay, when you click on display, you can see the option is here. Okay, this is the light mode and here is the dark theme. So if you want to set the dark mode, what you need to do is that you just tap on this screen. Okay, the dark mode, when you click on this picture of dark, the screen will be set into the dark theme. Okay, and if you want to set the light theme, you just need to tap on this light color. Here the light theme will be set successfully. Okay, and if you want to schedule the dark mode, you can see here is the schedule dark mode. Just tap on schedule dark mode. You just open this one. Okay, just click on this icon. After that, you can set the schedule sunset to sunrise custom. Which one you want to set, you can set from here. The if you want to set the dark mode schedule. Okay, and if you want to off, you don't like the schedule, then again you just tap on this icon. The schedule will be off. Okay, if you want to off, you can off it like this. Okay, and if you want to set dark mode or light mode, you can set from here. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.